going to show you how to set up WordPress contact form 7 for tracking and collect data into Google Analytics 4. So here we go. I'm going to show you with the help of Tagmate. So prerequisite is to have a WordPress website with admin login, Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics account, and of course the Tagmate app. So I will do step-by-step instructions, okay? And if you don't know how to set up the GTM on a WordPress website, I will show you. So this is a bonus, okay? And these are the steps. So let's start with, all right. The first thing first is if you don't know how to set up a GTM snippet on your WordPress website, then you need to see this, okay? All right, so go to your WordPress admin via login, okay, and go to appearance and click on the theme file editor and go to this header.php, something called header.php. Just click it, okay, and go to your Google Tag Manager, click on this particular code, just click and hit this icon, just copy it, okay, go to your admin and under this head element just paste this snippet. So I have already pasted this snippet. As you can see, this is actually the GTM code, and just hit the update file. Yeah, that's it. It's very easy. So I have completed this step. Now let's check this the contact form 7. So here it is. So this is actually my contact us form on my this website, okay? So go to your plugin and click on install plugins, okay, and yes, make sure that contact form 7 plugin is activated and just click on settings and open this line item. Yeah, that's it. It will be useful later on in this video. So the second step has been complete. Now let's set up the form submission in the Tagmate. So open your Tagmate application, just sign in with your account. I'm just clicking it and here we go. Okay, so just click on the Google Analytics 4. Okay, so here as you can see, you can connect your GTM account. So I connected with this. Okay, so let me create a new project for this account. So just hit that new button. So form WordPress tracking, and just click this option, web, and this is the configuration it's required. So select a tag manager account, which is I'm selecting this Tagmate testing, and just select Tagmate how to videos. So actually this is the Tagmate how to is, this is the container name, and just select the workspace. Okay, now I want to send this into Google Analytics 4. So I'm selecting Google Analytics 4 and need to enter this measurement ID. Just go to this your Google Analytics account and go to admin part and account settings, and under the account setting click on the data stream and just click this line item, and as you can see this is the measurement. Just hit this copy icon and go back to your Tagmate application and paste it over here and just click the create button. Okay, so select this project, click on this add new button and navigate with the categories, and at the end there is a form submission. Click this push to GTM, and as you can see there are a number of form types available. Select this method WordPress contact form 7. The first step is to push custom HTML to GTM. So click this push custom HTML to GTM button and it would take some time because it is interacting with uh, Google Tag Manager via so many API calls. So yeah, it's done. So template push successfully. Hit the next button, and in the second step provide the form name. So I'm just copy this and paste it over here. And since I know this is actually the WordPress contact form 7, so I hide this, yes it is. And this is actually I need to provide a form ID. So where can I get this? Go back to your admin part, and this is the actually contact as plugin installed. And as you can see, this is the ID 1358. Just copy it and paste here, and just hit the next button. Okay, provide a URL, and this is my website URL. I mean URL of the contact form 7 situated, and just click this push to GTM button. Again, it would take some time because it is interacting with the GTM. So we have to wait because it's interacting with a third-party software. All right, it's done. So form tracking has been submitted. Go back to your Google Tag Manager and just refresh it. And let's wait for the refresh. And as you can see, this is actually has been created. As you can see, this is the main event, GA4 event tag, and everything has been set up over here. As you can see, the data available automatically created over here. Okay, so we have completed this third step very easily, right? Let's check whether the preview mode, whether tag has been configured correctly or not. So on your Google Tag Manager dashboard, here is the button preview mode. Okay, just hit this button and it will start in the tag assistant. As you can see, tag assistant, and just copy that website URL and paste it over here. So it's already, I have already pasted, and just hit the connect button. So as you can see, the my website is open in the tag assistant mode. So as you can see, this is the pop-up appeared over here, and here this is the actually a tag assistant of Google Tag Manager. So the configuration tag has been fired, the custom HTML tag has been fired, but this tag has not been fired, right? So go back to the your website in the tag assistant mode and just fill the form. All right, and so I'm just putting some data and hit this submit button. Okay, so my form has been submitted successfully, and go back to your Google Tag Assistant mode and click on the CFS submission. As you can see, the tag has been fired over here. Okay, but let's check it the real action. So this step has been done, and on a final step, let's check it in Google Analytics. All right, go back to your Google Analytics. Okay, and just hit this configure line item from the left navigation, and just hit this debug view, and all right, so hit this form submit, and as you can see, this is the form ID, right? And this is actually the form name, the page URL, and the page title. Everything is coming. So through Tagmate, it's very easy. Okay, bye bye and happy tagging.